V roce 1944 byl z příkazu nacistů natočen v Terezíně film, který měl vytvořit dojem, že pověsti o vyhazování Židů v koncentračních táborech jsou nepřátelskou propagandou. V tomto filmu byl Terezín vylíčen jako město dané Židům do vlastní samosprávy. Do zahraničí měl být dopraven prostřednictvím Mezinárodního červeného kříže. V roce 1945 film zmizel. Teprve po 20 letech byla v Československu objevena jeho část. V našem filmu je použito nalezeného filmového materiálu a kreseb malířů vězněných v terezínském ghettu.
Mám se v Terezíně velice dobře, nic mi zde nechybí.
Es geht mir sehr gut in Theresienstadt. Es fehlt mir gar nichts.
Je suis très bien à Theresienstadt. Je ne manque de rien.
I'm all right in Theresienstadt. I don't miss anything.
Yeah, I got to fresh air in Theresienstadt.
So we're here in Terezin, and I don't think there's an easy way to make this light content. The plaque on the wall is just one of many, representing 10,500 children, Jewish children, who were incarcerated in the ghetto in Terezin. This is not our normal sort of content, but in today's world, never more appropriate to remember. I'm actually going to end the video and the vlog here in the small fortress in Terezin. It is horrific. It wasn't only Jews who died here, although the 1,500 that were either tortured, beaten or executed in this place were a fraction of the prisoners that passed through. The true horror of what they experienced, and the other prisoners, in terms of outright beatings and savage attack, was and should remain unprecedented. I don't know how humans can behave in the way that they did. So many of the officers from this particular facility have passed through the courts, the war courts, and were either executed or were given lifetime imprisonment. But it certainly wasn't all of them who were involved. Should you come here? Yes, I think you should. And if you don't come here, you should go to another place of mass execution and extermination. Why? Because it should never happen again. And we should always stand out and be prepared to say no.